I've watched lots of John Wayne movies, so I get it. I built a teepee behind my house, so I get it. My great-great-great-grandmother, who I think was indigenous, she had those really high cheekbones, so I get it. Indigenous people hardly ever smile, they never laugh. They're all pretty much the same. I don't really even understand why indigenous folks want to go to school to get that casino money, right? So there's no reason why indigenous folks shouldn't learn like everybody else has learned, right? We've all heard myths like these in our everyday discussions with people and possibly even from the media or even in our professional lives. When these myths are perpetuated out there in the world, we know the harm they do. Unfortunately, when these myths are perpetuated due to bigotry or even ignorance in the classroom, people who are trusted with the education of Native students, the results are disastrous. Many higher educational faculty chose their profession because they're passionate about their field, and they want to share that passion with their students. William Butler Yeats wrote that education is not the filling of a pail, it's the lighting of a fire. And we all want to learn to somehow light that fire in our students. The problem is that most of us are not trained to do so. Specific to the site under study for the project, faculty are not trained ever to engage in our faculty, with our students the way that they need. It's not about placing blame, it's not about finding deficiencies, it's not about tearing down instructors who have their best interests at heart. It's about increasing capacity for those instructors to help provide those students the tools that the students need to build their own ladder of success. This project draws from data suggesting that one critical determinant of Native American student success is the ability of faculty to engage the students where they are. Another related data pointed out that a very important factor in Native student success is the belief by the tribal students that they're respected due in part to, not despite, their status as Indigenous people. The project is a teacher professional development course. It will be delivered on Moodle. It will have 4 modules. We have about 35 adjunct faculty. We have about 15 in-house faculty. We want to make sure that all faculty members are able to complete the course. And so those who are local, full-time folks, will be able to do the course in-house as a cohort. Those who are not local will be able to do it online. The end goal, obviously, of the project is to make sure that we improve teacher capacity to engage with the students so that eventually everybody can get it.